Good afternoon, Zimbabwe. Sunday, 16 November 2025. Temba Mliswa at Precap. Mliswa kneels before his master, receiving marching orders like a hired mercenary of propaganda. The briefing is not strategy, it is desperation. Tisati pena mashoko ari kuda panguva ino akaenda mujati chata kana Temba Mliswa panguva ino achinyatsokuoneka kuti Temba Mliswa is working for the regime. Nematax anoita una VP Constantino Chiwenga anyatsoratidza kuti munhu ari kutobhadharwa, munhu atori pabasa. Aiwa, achiva panguva ino achizama kuda kudiscreditata nekusvibisa nekutanisha VP Constantino Chiwenga. Ndobva subscribe like button on the bell icon. Kana mujata mposa this picture muri kuona Ramuliswa ari kuPrecap Farm kudanyora achiti a dying Emmerson Mnangagwa's regime clutching at its last straws, deploying attack dogs to back at Mukanya Chiwenga in a fatal bid to shoot a collapsing dynasty. Zimbabweans are not fooled. We see the choreography, the puppetry, the trembling hands behind the curtains. This is Emmerson Mnangagwa in his final form, shameless, panicking, urbanizing, servant, because he no longer has the courage or legitimacy to face the nation head on. The ground is shaking beneath their feet. Their lies are losing power. Their intimidation is losing impact. Let it be known, no amount of coordinated attacks will stop the tide of a people who have awakened. No puppet, no proxy, no desperate briefing can silence a nation ready to reclaim its future. Hashtag say no to 2030. Hashtag protect the constitution. Domashiko anotobva panguva ino naKetana Mujati akamadirekta wana Temba Mliswa panguva ino ari kuonekwa kunzi Temba Mliswa panguva ino nemaadresses ari kuita pasocial media paX kunyangwe ari kublema vamwe vanhu vanouya vachiataka the regime through social media. Is the same person again ari kushandisa social media to attack the general. Pinda comment section medu muzamafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like chete on the